What's up guys, it's Amir from BSG Tech, and today's video is about Facebook Marketplace. If you have an item listed on Facebook Marketplace and that is under review by Facebook, then this is the right video you're watching. And without time wasting your time, let's go into the video and show you how you can do this. As you can see on my screen, one of my item is under review by Facebook. That could be for several reasons. It could be because of a wording that I've used in this video, let's say the gold and 4G. So it may be gold or it may be anything else which you are not aware of. So to sort this problem, just go into your help and support section on your setting page and then scroll down to Marketplace. By scrolling down to Marketplace, you'll be going directly into your listing page section, and then in the Marketplace you just put a short description that my advert is under review for no reason, or my advert is under review for some reason. Can you please look into it and sort this problem? Thank you very much in advance, or something similar. Keep it short and simple, so somebody who's going to read that on the other end of the Facebook can simply pull your listing up and just go through the contents quickly. Just make sure it's not counterfeit item, it's not a fake item, it's not something which is not for the benefit of local public, or it's not if it's a prohibited item, or if it's a cigarette, tobacco, drugs, weapons, animals, or anything which is not allowed to sell on Facebook, then obviously your request is going to get rejected. It takes some time, 4 hours, sometimes it takes like 1 hour. It depends on the case to case. Actually, sometimes it takes up to 24 hours. In my case, it was only 6 hours. As you can see the timing, actually I submitted that on probably 12, and by 4-5 p.m. it was all sorted. So guys, just to make it more simple and super fast, don't submit your request for a review check again and again. It will definitely end up as account suspension, and Facebook algorithms will take your account down immediately. Just submit your request once, and if you feel it's necessary, do it after 12 hours or let's say 24 hours. Using another account from your family members or friends will not help you out, and as soon as the same advert is listed again, Facebook will block that as well. So that was today's short video. I hope you have liked the video and you have enjoyed the video, and if you have any comments or feedback, please don't forget to leave in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.